Greetings from Egypt, the land of history and civilization.
يسعدني أن أرحب بكم في هذا اليوم الاستثنائي.
Biz Al-Salam ile büyümeye devam edeceğiz.
This event is both informative and also very much fun. So we had so much fun, but also we got a lot of information about their technical teams from Al-Salam team. Thanks again for Mr. Mahmoud and all Al-Salam team for this event.
I'm very happy because we had a great night and it was breathtaking. No words to say. Thank you very much.
We are really glad with this big event with Agrobest, and we are looking forward with a better future with Agrobest.